Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively. First, find a quiet, dedicated space where you can focus without interruptions. Next, establish a regular study schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key. Finally, tackle big assignments by breaking them into smaller, more achievable parts. This approach makes learning less overwhelming and more productive, helping you build strong academic foundations. To truly understand and retain information, engage in active learning. After reading, try to summarize the material in your own words without looking at your notes. A great method is to teach what you've learned to someone else. This highlights areas you might not fully grasp. Also, consistently practice with sample questions or past papers to test your knowledge and identify weak spots. Efficient time management and organization are crucial for academic success. Use a planner or calendar to prioritize your tasks and deadlines, ensuring you allocate enough time for each subject. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes, to prevent burnout and maintain concentration. Additionally, reviewing your class notes soon after a lesson significantly boosts retention. Don't underestimate the power of self-care in your study routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your brain to consolidate information. Fuel your body with nutritious meals to sustain energy and focus throughout the day. Lastly, make regular review a habit. Revisiting older material consistently helps solidify your understanding and prevents information from fading.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.